Okay, so we got the attachment for the car. I am so happy. It's gonna be a little shaky and I'm not sure I like that. And that's probably not gonna do good either. And now I'm hot. I gotta go get some stuff to make champurrado. And I'm gonna make some albondiga soup. And then we're gonna get some Italian. I'm gonna make some Italian beef. I mean, let's figure it out, right? I don't know if I like that thing. So we have another one that we can use. But let's just try it for right now. I want to go to the Valley Market. Ooh, that's very, very, very shaky, you know? Okay, guys, so yeah. I want to go to the Valley Market, but I think I'm just going to go to Bargain Market because it's right here and there's no need to go all across town. I mean, this is exciting for me, so let's figure it out. Make some food, get some, you know, holiday spirit going. My husband's getting his, what's it called, his teeth done today, so it's gonna be a miserable couple of weeks, and that's just for him to get kind of like set, like used to it. Afterwards, you know, he'll still need to adapt, but I mean, we're making progress. You know, the teeth situation is a really sad situation. When my father-in-law was in his end stage of life, he couldn't eat anymore, and it was really hard for him to even just, you know, have a meal. And so, yeah, this is or maybe if I do it that way. Okay, so yeah, it was really hard for him to have a meal because, you know, he didn't have any teeth. So, you know how they say, you gotta help yourself. If you can't help yourself, then who's gonna want to deal with you? So yeah, he couldn't eat. So then we got him these meals because I thought that it was just because he couldn't eat, like he didn't, you know, like he was depressed and stuff. So I got him on the Meals on Wheels, and they were bringing him food and he wasn't eating it. And so then his daughter called me up and was like, my dad can't eat this and you need to call them back and tell them to stop. And I was like, well, then what's your father gonna eat? And she was like, you know, he eats ice cream and he drinks milk, and that's food. So it's hard. She didn't really tell me that, but you know, like at the time, that's what he was like. It was the only thing that he could get down, and the only thing that he can like actually have. So that was difficult, but you know, you get through it. I mean, it is what it is. It's life. Life, you know, happens. And it's not going to wait around for you to be ready for it. No, it's not going to do that. Life happens whether you're ready or not. So, end stage of life, that's, you know, that's what happens. You know, people who are 50 years old, like, they're already halfway through life. You know, you're considered elderly already. Okay, so we're here. I'll have to figure this stupid thing out later. Yeah, I'm not sure I like it. So we're here. Okay. It's hot out. Italian beef. So we're going to do slow at 5 hours. Oh my god, is that hair? Yeah. I have dogs. Don't worry. Everything's washed. Okay, yeah. So come back later and we'll see how it went.